you know that the brand new Mi 10T Pro is packed with AI functions? These AI functions are realized through the development of deep learning algorithms, which are akin to the human brain neural system. They allow you to have enhanced image and voice recognition. They become smarter by learning your habits and preferences. The AI engine of Mi 10T Pro is composed of multiple sections that can achieve powerful AI performance with a computing power of 15 TOPS. This enables it to carry out 15 trillion calculations per second. AI is widely used to increase camera performance. For example, the new video clone function of Mi 10T Pro uses AI algorithms to accurately recognize portraits and cut out images for cropping. To achieve the innovative and industry-first AI video clone function, we developed an industry-leading AI human segmentation and AI video alignment algorithm. This enables us to optimize these complex algorithms to run in real time on Qualcomm AI chipsets. Now it's easy to have two identical people on the same screen. The AI camera function of Mi 10T Pro can take advantage of the capabilities of AI engine and automatically match and calculate the color that best matches the human eye from a large number of pictures in the cloud, making your photos look better. In addition, AI skyscaping, portrait mode, and color focus all use the image processing function of Mi 10T Pro's AI engine. As the AI functions of our smartphones become even more powerful, you will experience better performance than ever before. Mi 10T Pro is one of the best choices for you to experience the power of AI.